A.
Okay,
1-7. 1-7.
And Curtis.
And Curtis were meant to be lovers.
What the hell are they talking about?
Second one? Second lover?
Oh, that's mine.
You mean Samuel B. loves and Curtis?
Yeah.
Then,
Then
And Curtis is little mistress before.
mistress, then turn to Mrs.
No.
No. She didn't marry to
sabi na nga ba si
Samuel B?
No.
No?
I know.
Blessing is so. Blessing is so. What the word?
What the fucking word is?
What's the fucking word is that? Bitter? What are you doing?
I thought it. Oh, that. What a fake! I should post it on Facebook.
No.
But why? What's the reason behind?
The next.
No,
not my face. What's that?
I'm so I know.
It occupies all the space.
The girl who noticed
Hi,
dirty.
Daddy.
I'm gonna kill her.
You're gonna kill her?
Oh, the one.
Porn singing?
No, the girl who won. Luther.
Who's Luther? I don't.
Yeah.
Come on.
I thought.
What's that?
Daddy, you don't have the camera. Turn on your camera, baby.
Oh, she's dancing! I'm gonna post it on Facebook, Don't cover your face!
My face is
Don't cover your face! Damn it!
There's a cockroach.
Oh my God!
There's a cockroach under the table. Daddy, where are you?
Where's the fucking cockroaches? Kill it!
Dad. Dad.
Just
I can see your face. I only see your arm.
like what? What?
Dad. Can you hear me?
Spoiled.
What? Where's the face? Where's your face? I can see you.
Spoiled.
She's beside me.
Panis so spoiled.
Dad, wala kang mukha. Ano ka naman yan?
Oh, what's happening to the light? Open it. Turn
Dad,
on.
Dad, ayusin mo ka mo. Sige tayo yung ulo mo.
Just dance.
My God, I have to throw it out. Oh, why is your face like that?
No, you're hungry?
Yeah, that's my hobby.
Oh,
Yeah.
so.
Say hi. Say hi to my hobby.
Hi.
Hello, what's the meaning of hobby? Say hi. Say hi to my hobby.
Then your hobby covering her.
He's covering his face.
Turn off the light.
They're so bad. They're so bad. Hey guys. Say
Hey,
hi.
guys.
Covering his face. Guys,
Diana
say-
Lynn.
Ate. Say hi to my husband.
Hi.
Hi. Husband.
I
lang.
thought he's my kuya.
Yeah, that's your kuya.
Oh, I forgot.
Happy kuya. Birthday.
Happy birthday! Day ni Romel! Birthday ni Romel ngayon! Birthday! So cute!
No, he's handsome. Oh my God.
I thought I inherit her.
What? It's okay. It's okay. He's a human. Yeah. Daddy, we're speaking in English. Take some time.
We're speaking in English,
We're
bro.
speaking in English. No, because if you talk in Tagalog, you will have a double shot.
Yes, and pay 50 pesos.
That's shady and that's Ren.
What? Oh, my zipper! My zipper!
Your zipper's going down. My God. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh!
Dad, dadalhin ko na doon para makita mo si Malayan. Laptop ni John John, oh. Ay, ano nga buho ko. Tatanggal na yun. Hindi yung buho ko. Ay, yan na.
Nag-inom na kayo?
Ah, John, hindi ka na.
Sige, gupit ninyo.
Hindi, gusto kong makita tropa.
Sige, sayaw.
I don't want that.
Kind of
That's
chicken is
disgusting.
so disgusting! It's fucking chicken!
Hey, what are you talking about? You say password.
Oh my god! I don't feel! I don't feel the chicken!
Buy this.
I don't want to! So messy, so yucky! Ew! It's a It's a batuka! Oh my gosh! Don't push! Don't pull it! Don't pull it! Stop! Don't do that! I will punish you! What the hell is the short? I think so.
Where is that?
It's look alike.
You both wear the same fashion.
Yes! We got there in next gen. Next gen.
And your pussy is kind of a I know. I thought her pussy is kind of a
We just have
What's the cat? I don't even understand
the cat is
kind of
overflowing.
Yeah, stop.
It's overflowing.
Why are you throwing that away?
That's bad.
That's bad.
That's bad.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
That.
He's hurting.
No.
He's hurting.
You're smiling because you don't understand us.
Yes. Talk in Tagalog. Just speak in English, you know.
Andrea, don't shout.
We didn't understand you.
Don't shout.
Don't punch your
Oh,
mother.
you're
She's your mother.
You're kind of scary.
Don't shout. Oh,
No.
I think we should cast a spell with that little boy.
What spell are we going to cast?
I think
Dahil talaga. No.
no. You just put it down like this and like this. And
Maybe because you're just,
Okay.
ano,
you're just so
sitting down the
tipsy.
stairs.
I'm not sitting down the stairs.
Stairs.
She just mispronounced.
Ate G, tawagin mo si Ate. Laro na lang kayo.
Yeah.
What kind of hell is that?
Ano? That's fine.
Fucking chicken. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you know,
It is habatuka.
you know, I have a deja vu.
Did you know what kind of deja vu?
Yeah, it's like it happened before.
Before and
Wow.
oh my gosh.
Filming the chicken head.
Oh my gosh. I had a premonition.
Yes, premonition. Oh my
You know,
God.
I have a premonition.
Thank you.
I always say it's weird deja vu.
Did you know what kind of deja vu is it?
What kind of deja vu?
For example, session.
Session what? Session what?
I think before
Before it happened, it would just happen right here, right there, right,
It's like a deja vu.
right now, you know.
Yeah, it's like it's happened before. It's already happened.
Having
So
deja vu in a good way.
the good way. Because
Everyone loved it.
yes, we're having fun.
It's kind of late.
What time is it? What time is it? Party time. No.
I think it's time to sleep na.
Time to sleep na.
It's 11:40.
Oh, I don't want to sleep.
No, I don't want to sleep too.
Okay, then take a shot.
I'm just having fun, you know, right now, right there.
Then take the shot. If you don't want to sleep, take the
fucking
shot.
Start already. It's Lauren's turn.
It's Lauren. Where's Lauren?
Lauren. Oh, that's your kuya.
What the hell is that? So handsome! That's your husband, so
Yeah.
handsome!
So handsome. He's like Oyo boy, you know.
Are you boy? I know,
Yeah.
are you boy?
And she looks like Christine.
Yeah. No!
Yes.
She look like she's shy.
Yeah.
The girl in the Voice Over Flower.
Yeah. No. Nature Garden.
Okay, Mr. Garden.
It's Jandy.
Oh my God, I forgot it. I'm just scared away. What's happening there?
BFF BFF, why you are so BO 2 times now?
What? What did you just say?
Why you are so BO 2 times?
B-O-O what?
BO 2 times.
B-O 2 times? What's the meaning of B-O 2 times? No, I didn't, and I can't, and I shouldn't. I'm not a standing A person.
And we're going to make a couple shirt.
Couple shirt. I remember. Where should I get the one? We're going to the SM Mall?
No, we're
We're going to the SM?
Your beauty is timeless and never outdated.
You should carry.
Okay, sorry. What's the English of tatak? Tatak. Tatak? Yeah.
What's the fucking tatak?
No.
Brand.
No, tatak is like a couple shirt printed.
I'm just having a pose.
Oh, okay. Sorry. So what we're going to put in the t-shirt? No. I think about your beauty. My beauty is timeless and never outdated. It's so unique. No. What color? What t-shirt? What color of the t-shirt we're going to choose? Gray.
Malabo. I don't like gray.
Gray and
Kaya na mabaho. And our wetness is so not hiding.
so what we're going to choose? What color? What color are we going to choose?
Dark color like black.
Like,
I don't like white one because
oh, it's so dirty.
my sexy figure.
Wow! My God!
Anyone who violates it will be killed.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so quiet.
Yeah.
To be sexy.
Char?
Ever.
Oh, what color?
I don't need that. I love
What color? What color?
I thought, I think,
What? It is a part of English grammar.
yes, yellow, but, yellow?
I thought gray. Then
Yellow, like this, mango.
I thought gray. Then the color of this pink. Pink, fuchsia pink.
Pink and gray.
No, gray and pink.
Gray.
Yeah, fuchsia pink.
Pucha pink. Not the pucha pink.
Fuchsia pink. Yeah.
What am I talking about?
Tipsy. No, you're not
So
You're
I'm not sleepy. I'm just
tipsy. No, you're tipsy. You're just a tipsy. I'm a drunk.
Oh, my hair is scattered everywhere.
Oh, it's me already.
I look so messy.
Messy.
Oh my God, I look so oily.
Oh, look your nose. 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 Oh, I'm sorry. It's a nose.
You're just
Not a
scared
noise.
away, I know that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What's happening out
What
there?
happened to the chicken? You killed that. You have already eaten that.
Alive.
It's already alive.
Put it back.
Oh, what happened to it? My God.
You don't understand what it
Anne, can you please play again by chance?
by chance.
Yeah.
I still computer.
Okay.
Turn off.
We're going to sing California Kings.
In this California. What's that? What is that?
Can you please go to the room? You're not
I
drunk.
don't have to. I'm just staying there.
Okay.
Cali.
Just quiet. Kali. Oh, okay.
California.
Let's dance first.
What kind of...
Oh my God. Ah, okay, okay.
I
okay.
thought it was for...
Do you know the
Yeah. I no, it's not familiar to me.
banana split dance?
Ah, okay.
Like Angelica.
Oh, I love Angelica.
I can hear it clearly. No, like this. Like this?
Correct.
Like this.
Oh, my PJ is so...
I thought I was so slippery.
Oh, can you please stop it?
No, I didn't. And I won. And I came. And
You stop that fucking camera.
I wouldn't stop it. I put this in the picture.
Let's just sing this one.
Oh, I know.
Wait, Tita, can you please stop this? Let's playing. My brother is play my chance. No. First, we play California King. Okay.
Hey, you is
Yeah. They start the Oh my God, they are disgusting. They're disgusting me, you know. Disgusting you? What is disgusting? Disgusting. Disgusting. They're playing 45. Oh, it's okay. 50.